Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces for your general energies, career situation and relationship Pisces. We are picking few cards guys. So these are for your general energies Pisces. These cards for your relationship first, then for your career situation, I'll be picking three more cards again, guys. And one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. This is the card. So, that is a general guidance. That may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys. Pisces, what you need to do today. So, let's start with your general energies. We will turn these cards first. So we have 8 of Wands in reverse, 5 of Swords, and 2 of Pentacles in reverse. So, Pisces, with these cards in your situation, you are facing some stressful situation, guys, some kind of troubles. Some things are not going right for you. It may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. And maybe the people you are with, your person, or it may be someone in your career, they are quite jealous of you, they envy you, and they are ready to grab your opportunities or offers that you're getting. And someone is arguing with you or fighting with you, guys. So it is again stressing you a lot today, guys, Pisces. And in your situation, maybe you have done some mistakes. Maybe the mistakes of your past is coming back, some kind of troubles because of that. Today, guys, you are simply regretting your past, maybe a person from the past, or it may be some mistakes in your work. So some kind of troubles because of that today, guys. And it may be this person coming back to visit you, your past person. You just simply regret this connection you had with them. Maybe they are not a good person, they are not someone you like to connect yourself with, but somehow you were there in that connection. It was an accident, maybe for some of you. You are just wishing that you never knew them. But today, this person is coming back. Maybe it may be a rare coincidence they are here to visit you, or um, they are here on purpose. They want to tell something to you. So that is what I see, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship first. So we have for your relationship, Pisces, 6 of Wands in reverse. I hope you can see the card here, guys. 6 of Wands in reverse, Star, and Page of Swords. So today, Pisces, in your situation today, guys, in your relationship, you are uh, what to say, understanding the reason for certain things in your situation, guys. Maybe the words this person has spoken to you, or um, the meaning behind their words or actions. So something is being revealed to you, some kind of truth or some kind of understanding is there in your heart about this love, about this person. And maybe you have some fears about this love or about this connection, about this person, some kind of worries about them. Because in your heart of hearts, you know some things, you feel some things, uh, but by the way they are behaving or their words, that may be different. So your heart tells you something and your mind tells you something, and you are in some kind of a confusion, guys. That is what I see. So uh, for some of you, I see that you just want to find out about them, the truth about them, and you are spying on them, or they are spying on you. They are prying you with questions. Um, they want to know about you because they feel that they cannot trust you. So that is the reason for these cards, guys. So this person is uh, trying to get that knowledge about you or trying to understand you. So they are asking questions about you to the people who are close to you, and they are collecting information. So it may be like spying. So they don't trust you, guys. That is what I see. Or this may be your energy. You don't trust them. That is the reason you are asking many questions. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, Pisces. So we have strength, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and Queen of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, certain things are not going right for you, guys. There may be some kind of delays in your career, some suspensions of projects or some deals, whatever it is. And there are people trying to deceive you in some ways, and you feel that you cannot trust anyone in your work situation or in your business. But you have that calm, composed attitude today because you feel that is the right way to deal with your situation. If you are impulsive and if you are instinctive, acting impulsively in your career, you will not be able to make the right choice. So you have that calm, composed attitude today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. Let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. It is Carnelian. That is the crystal spirit for you all today. So this card stands for that confidence, that maintaining of poise, dignity, and confidence, guys. Self assurance. So the energy with this card is that with this crystal, we will feel energetic, confident, more confident. So when we are confident, when we have that faith on ourselves, faith in our efforts, we will be on the healing path. So maybe some troubles in our career or troubles in our personal life, we will be able to handle that situation effectively if we have that confidence and if we have that faith in our strength and skills and talents, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, Pisces, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.